Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. In this short video, I will tell you that how you can easily update X application or previously known as Twitter application to the latest version in 2024 and get access to all the latest features of X application. That's quite simple and easy, so let's get started without wasting a single second. So guys, basically there are two ways to update the X application on your Android or iPhone, whatever you have. The first one is to simply go to App Store. If you are on an Android, go to Google Play Store and then tap X and then simply search for it, and it will take you to this page. And if it says update, tap on update and your X app will be updated. But if it says open instead of update and you don't have access to the latest features of 2024, you can do one thing: tap on settings and then tap on general and then tap on iPhone storage. So basically, we are gonna force update the X application. Once you found it, tap on it and then tap on offload app and offload it and then reinstall it. Basically, by doing this, you will force update that X application. So that's how you can easily update X application to the latest version and get all the premium or latest features, you can say. If you found the video helpful, make sure to like the video and hit that subscribe button. Thank you.